Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Splitwise data onto Excel. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with your email address and password or by using your Google account. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to export any of your data onto Microsoft Excel, then first tap on the group of which you want to send the data. Once you open up the group, you will see various different options underneath the group name. If you slide towards the right, then you will see the export button all the way at the end. Just tap on this button and this will generate your Excel spreadsheet right away. Once the spreadsheet has been generated, you can proceed with sending through your desired application, and then you will be able to access this Excel file right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to export your Splitwise data on an Excel file. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.